my clothing haul videos. If you are new to this channel, then please make sure to go and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that I will be posting. Also, do check out the videos that I have already posted. I have already made a couple of videos and I have posted them, and I have spoken about a lot of other clothes in those videos as well, so make sure you guys go check that out as well. So I'm gonna get started away with this video. So this is the first product that I am gonna be talking about. It's this red colored top. I really like this top because you can style it in a lot of different ways. For instance, the first thing that came to my mind when I looked at this top is, okay, instead of just wearing it as the plain tuck-in top, because that's just gonna be a little too what's the word for it, boring, I guess. So you can sort of tie it up like how I have tied up this particular white shirt. So you can do the same with this top as well, or you can sort of scrunch it up and turn it into a top knot. That would also look really pretty. So you can wear this with a white pant if you're going for an extremely grand look, and maybe some bracelets and a ring. But if you're going for your everyday wear or something, you can wear it with blue jeans or black jeans. Now the buttons of this shirt are only up till here, and there are just 4 buttons over here, and the collar is a V-neck collar. So if you wear this with a sort of long necklace or a choker, that would go really well with this particular type of product. Now the sleeves of this product are 3/4 sleeves, and they don't have a button, so you can't really fold them up if you want to, but it's fine. It's just like it comes up to your elbow, so that should be fine. Also, if you look at the back, I really like the back part about this because it has this sort of lace sort of thing over here, so that is what I really like about this product. So if you have like tattoos at the back or something, it will be seen. And I'm just gonna lift this up so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the front, and this is what this product looks like at the back. So the thing I like about this product is they haven't just made the front part of the product look grand, but the back part also has that little lace detailing, so it makes it look really attractive from the back as well. So if you can like wear a pony or something, and it shows off the lace at the back. Now the brand of this particular product is Fig, and the showroom price of this product is $4.99, but I got this product for a price of, can you believe it, I got it for a price of 167 rupees. I mean, yeah, I ordered this off from Ajio, but yeah, imagine getting a top like this for a price of only 167 rupees. So the material of the product is also really soft and flowy. It's like cotton mixed with some sort of other material, but it's not pure cotton is what I'd like to say. But yeah, it's like a really nice material. It's quite soft. I think you should be able to make out in the video that it's not like a sort of rough material. It's quite soft and nice. So that is about the first product of this video. Now the second product that I will be talking about is this, I think the color is lime green if I'm not wrong. So this lime green top, oh my god, this top is also a really pretty top. It's the same material as the previous one. It's sort of like cotton mixed with some other sort of material, so it's not 100% cotton, but yeah. Now if you look at the front part of this, as you can see, it does not have any additional prints or any design on it, but that does not make this product like less simple or something, because just look at the minute detailings that they've added. The collar of this product has this sort of folding thing, so when you wear this sort of a shirt, I would recommend going for a really heavy necklace that borders around your collar, or a really long necklace, because that would really complement this particular sort of a product. Now if you look at the back of this product, it has these sort of pearl kind of buttons that are attached. So even at the back of the product, they've also paid attention to the back of the product, so that also makes the product look pretty fancy. Now the sleeves of this product are like semi sleeves. They aren't they aren't like proper sleeves, but yeah, they're like semi sleeves, and it does not have any border or any sort of additional printing, but that's fine. So if you want to make this product look a little bit grand, I would recommend doing the same top knot, or knotting it up like how I have done with this particular top. So that is what you can do. Now they have also given these additional 2 additional beads in case a few of them fall off. I doubt it would fall off because they're quite firmly stitched, as you can see over here. But suppose you do miss out on them, then they have already given you this. This is again from the brand of Fig, and the showroom price of this product is 699 rupees, but I got this product for only a price of 234 rupees. So again, if you're going for a really simple look which is not too overly done, you can pair this up with blue jeans or black jeans. You can also wear this on top of a long skirt if you tuck the shirt in, because you know it's got these beads at the back, so it would complement a traditional look as well. So you can go for this with a long skirt, or you know, yeah, you can go for it with a long skirt. But if you want to go for a sort of rich look, I would recommend pairing this up with white jeans and some fancy sandals. So that would make this product look really nice as well. And since the color is so different and bright, it really complements white jeans. So that's about the second product. Now the third product I am talking about is this top from Global Desi. So I'm pretty sure all of you have heard about this brand Global Desi, so I don't have to, you know, compliment the brand. Their clothings are obviously always on top. So the brand is Global Desi. The showroom price of this product is 1299, but I purchased this product for only at a price of 409 rupees only. Now this product is grey in color, but it has these sort of silver additional detailing that's done over here. It's not yeah, it's quite, you know, it's quite sparkly. So if you wear this to you can also wear this to like family gatherings and all that, and it's sort of, the light sort of shimmers. I think you can make out in the video that the light is sort of shining off of these. Now this particular top is not just limited to wearing with jeans or wearing with jeans or, you know, leggings. You can also wear these with like long skirts and dhoti pants or anything literally, because it's such a, you know, it's a pretty diverse top, so you can wear this with whatever you want. Now this particular top also has a zip that is given in the side, so as you can see they also have a zip, and yeah, I think it's up to full length. It comes up to this point, so they also have a zip over here. I'm gonna lift this product up so you guys can see. So this is what this product looks like from the front, and this is what the product looks like at the back. So this material is once again cotton material, and yeah, because it's cotton, you can see that, I mean, you can tell that the material is going to be really soft. If you look on the inside also, you can see that it does not have anything that's going to, you know, unnecessarily irritate your skin. It's just one plain stretch of cloth. So this is what the entire inside part of the shirt looks like. So it's going to be very gentle on your skin. So you can pair this up with anything. You can pair this up with jeans, long skirt, dhoti pants, cigarette pants, anything literally, because it's such a diverse sort of a top. So this is about the third product. Now moving on to the fourth product is this sort of sweater that we got. So this is what this product looks like. Now if you see the bottom part of this, it has this sort of elastic things. So if you don't really like sweaters that are, you know, long, you can always pull it up and it sits where you want it to sit. So suppose if this comes up to just below your waist, you can pull it up to your waist and sort of scrunch up the material, so that would give it a really nice look. Or you can just go for a basic tuck-in, that also works pretty well. The sleeves also have the exact same thing, so if you want to, you know, pull up your sleeves, you can do so, and it's gonna stay where you pull it up. The design of this product is, you know, quite simple itself. It just has these basic polka dots that are there. So that is the design of this product, and the material is kind of like woolen material, but even though it's woolen, I wouldn't say it's very thick or it's very heavy. It's quite breathable itself, so you're not going to, you know, die in sweat or something. But but yeah, so that is the material of this product. Now this is once again from the brand of Fig, as you can see over, never mind, you can see it over here, and the price that the tag states is a price of 799, but we only got this for a price of 390 rupees. So you guys, as you can see, I think already 3 of the products I have ordered are from Fig itself. So if you guys like any of these products, then make sure you immediately go to the description box and purchase the product so that you get it at the same price I ordered it for. Because, you know, I've already repeated this in several of my previous videos, the prices tend to fluctuate. So if you want to get it at the price I got it for, then I suggest you guys go and check it out at the earliest. I'm just gonna lift this product up so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what this product sort of looks like from the front, and This is what this product looks like at the back. So it's basically your basic pullover is what I can say. If you can just wear this without wearing anything like any shirt or anything underneath, but if you want to, you can also wear a basic shirt and you can wear this on top of that as well. Like I had mentioned earlier, it's quite breathable material, so you're not going to sweat like anything. So that is about this material. Also the color is not black, it's sort of darkish navy blue in color. So that's about the color of this particular product. Now moving on to the next product is this it's this shirt. Wait, the back of the product. So this is what this looks like. This is also like a cotton based sort of product itself, but I think if you guys look at it from far, it kind of looks like a linen material, like not completely linen, but it sort of gives off the look like as if it is linen material. Now as you can see, the brand is DNMX and the size is a large. The price that is stated is 699 on the price tag, but we got this for a price of 234. Now I think this is like you can more or less go only for a traditional look with this particular product. So maybe you can try pairing it up with white leggings or something, but I feel like if you it's not going to give you an like what do I say, like a wedding vibe or something. You can't wear this sort of top to a wedding, but you can wear it for like a casual simple out like day at work or something like that. You can wear it with you can even wear it with jeans, you can wear it with leggings, you can basically wear it with anything as long as it looks good, to be honest. Now this particular product also has buttons. It has 4 buttons and it has a sort of, it's not completely v-neck, but it's sort of v-neck. It's just got from this part above, it sort of looks like a formal shirt itself. So that is the look that's given here, and it has a collar as well. Now the sleeves are full length sleeves, but and it has a button over here. But if you don't want to go for a full length sleeves, and they've also given us a button over here, so you can always fold up the sleeve and make it shorter. So I'm just gonna lift up this product so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what this shirt looks like from the front, and this is what it looks like at the back. So you guys can also, if you're looking to wear this for office wear or something, you can pair it up with your formal office pants and tuck this shirt in and wear a blazer on top, or you can literally do anything with this product. You can also tuck it in on basic everyday jeans as well. So it's not like a product that can be worn only with a particular type of pant or something. You can wear it with whatever you want. The shade of this product is it's not silver, it's sort of grayish, it's sort of charcoal gray, and it has these sort of light stripes. It's not very visible, but yeah, it's sort of blended in the product, so it has these white stripes as well. So that is about this particular product. Okay, now I'll be moving on to the next product, which are these slippers, and it is from the brand of Frisbee. It is printed over here, but I don't think you guys can see it because I only can't see it. But yeah, that's fine because I will be posting a link about this in the description box. The thing I really like about these slippers are these really pretty flowers and all that they've given. And also guys, please don't wear this to the bathroom. These are not bathroom slippers. You get a separate category of slippers for that. These are your you can just casually wear these when you go to your nearby supermarket, or just basic casual footwear, or you can even wear this for beaches or whatever. If you guys live near beaches, or even in the house, you can wear it as house footwear. But please don't wear it inside the you can wear it inside the bathroom, but it's not actually bathroom slippers. I mean, why would you wear something so pretty inside the bathroom? Anyways, the price of this product stated over here is look at how small the printing is. Anyways, it's $2.99, but I got this for only a price of $157. So yeah, it was a very cheap price. So the thing about this product is the soles of this product. If you focus on the soles of this product, it's sort of what do I say, it's non-slippery. I think you can see from these bumps that they've given over here. Also, it's like rubber, so it's not going to slip, especially if it is slippery surfaces and you're like a really clumsy person or something. Then this is like the proper footwear for you, because It's gonna make sure you don't slip and all that. And this soling on top is also not like, you know, plastic soling or anything. It's quite a normal footwear material itself, so it's going to, you know, not be too hard on your feet and all of that. Now if you look at this part, this is like rubber, I can say. So it's going to sit firmly on your feet and all of that. So this was the product that I had ordered. It's basically pink in color with this alternative shade that they have given for this strap, and only at the bottom part of the slipper it has this sort of blue this thing. So it's quite nice as well. You can wear this with a lot of jeans and casual outfits and all of that. So there's not a lot of things to say about this product. So yeah, that's about this product. This is the last product for this video. I will be making another video, so you guys make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that I will be posting. Don't worry guys, I will also be posting a link of all these products in the description box. So if you're really interested in any of the products, I suggest you guys go right now and check the products out, so you know you don't get it at a different price or something. Also, this is not a sponsored video. And make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the videos.